Hey friends, welcome to a little bit of a morning day in the life and cleaning routine. If you're new, my name's Christy. I live in Las Vegas and I have 6 kiddos from almost 1 year old to 11. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that I did after I dropped off my kids at summer school all the way until about noon. While I was filming this video, I got so many other ideas of videos that I want to create. One is mom hacks, like things that I do that I really feel like make a difference and make my life easier running a business from home and also having so many kids. There's just little things that you can do in your home spaces that will make a world of a difference and help your life just a little bit, finding things and helping your day go by smoother. So stay tuned for that video, but I hope you enjoy. One of the habits that we have for our home is we always load all the dirty dishes at night so it can run while we're sleeping, and then as a morning chore, a couple of the girls will put away the dishes in the morning. But that does not mean breakfast and heating up foods and things, end up in the sink. So I always have to do a little bit of a morning refresh when I get home from dropping off the kids to kind of make sure the kitchen is up to par, and so I have a clean space so I feel good enough, my head is clear, so I can move on to other tasks and eventually get to sit at my desk and work with a clearer mind. I am right-handed and use my right hand for pretty much everything, so I try to use my left hand when I clean any type of surfaces. I think it just gives my right hand a break and helps build strength on the left. It's just something little that I do, like doing Kegels in the line at the grocery store to make sure that I'm kind of working the other side of my body. Around here, nap time is for computer and office work. So if I'm filming or I'm cleaning, he's all up in there. I struggle a little bit with remembering to take my vitamins in the morning, but what works for me is when I fill up my second cup around 9:30 in the morning, that's when I take my vitamins. The vitamins that I take are the Ritual Essential for women over 18. Ritual vitamins are very popular and with good reason. Delayed release capsules designed to make it easy on the stomach. You can take it with or without food. Ritual has clean ingredients and every labeled ingredient serves a specific function. I eat a pretty balanced diet, but no matter how balanced my diet is, some nutrients are hard to get enough of from food alone. Vegan friendly, non-GMO, project verified. They're gluten-free, major allergen-free, without extras or official colorants. Plus, it's delivered straight to your door so you never have to worry about running low. I like that on the bottle it tells you how many daily doses I have left. I think that's a really cool feature, and I love the transparency of the packaging, and it has a nice mint lemon taste to it, which was really nice. Start a daily ritual that you feel good about. Ritual is offering 20% off during your first month. Visit ritual.com/ChristyG20. I'll go ahead and put it in the description box below as well. One thing's for sure, every single morning I'm going to have at least 2 loads to do. So as soon as the kitchen is wrapped up, I head upstairs and get started on that. I feel like I'm forever putting in and switching and folding and putting away. It's just a constant battle when you have so many kids, a large household, and they have tons of sports. two best things that I've done with my laundry system is to get a external laundry rack that I can just hang up a bunch of stuff, and I put it in the hallway, and when the kids come home from school, they go ahead and grab what's theirs that's hanging and put it in their closets on their own. And to make my life easier, teach my kids responsibility, raise capable kids, my kids put away their own clothes. I put them in rows according to who belongs to who, and they put it away when they get home as their afternoon chore. I really try to stick to a 10 o'clock nap time. We ended up getting him to sleep 10 minutes earlier because he was just absolutely exhausted. He woke up a little bit earlier in the morning. He had a hard night of teething. I'm tired too. And in case you're wondering, I do not change the sheets every single day. I change them about once a week, and I just do quick washes because I really don't need much else. But today was Ace's bed. I alternate days. So yeah, that's how it is. Usually when they're home, I have them make their own bed, but Mama just needs to get this done. So I'm going to do my son a favor today. Usually around 10:20, 10:30 every morning, I'm able to sit in my office and do what I need to do, whether it's paying bills, planning out my week, planning out a content calendar, anything that I need to do, I do it at this time. And I'm hustling. I am really trying to focus as much as I can. I play some focus music. I put my phone on focus mode so that I cannot be disturbed, because I really have a limited amount of time that I can actually sit at my desk and get things done. I have implemented a system where I only sit in my office on my computer when my son is sleeping. Sometimes if I really need to get things done and it's during his wake windows, he will hang out on the floor with me, or maybe hardly ever in his little pack and play there. We're really trying, but he's not a fan of it. But I really don't want to be sitting in my office when my son's awake. So chores, things that I can do outside or inside, I just lug him along with me. He can follow along and he can crawl with me, or he can sit in his walker and be with me. But when I'm sitting at my desk, I really try to focus when he's sleeping. If time allows, I really like to have Tezeo's lunch ready for him for when he wakes up from his nap. We did some leftover Filipino spaghetti that we had last night, some avocado, pears, and raspberries. They're his favorite. And then Mama made a little pick-me-up of an iced coffee with a little bit of vanilla creamer. I always try to reward myself after I get some stuff done, and I really hustled in the office today. So I'm gonna have an iced coffee. I'm also gonna make myself a little bit of a steak salad. I am on this huge salad, steak, chicken, whatever kick. Any type of protein that I can throw on top of a yummy salad, I love it. The spring mix is my absolute favorite. I use the Italian dressing from Olive Garden. I get it at Costco, and of course salad is that much better with avocado on top. I love the salad. It is so good and so good for me, and I love that I'm on this salad hype right now. I know that next week I'm going to want to switch it up a little bit, so if you guys have any good recipe ideas for salads, please let me know down below. Before I end this video, I want to invite you guys to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to me here if you are not already. I do have more videos coming up of my morning routine, everything that I did before this video started, getting all 5 of my kids up and dressed and lunch packed and sending them off to 2 different schools. There's a lot of hacks and tips that I have to share with you guys in that video. After lunch, we usually head outside to get a little bit of a breather. We either take a walk to the mailbox or we hang out outside in the backyard. This is my opportunity to kind of get things done in the backyard, whether I need to water plants or put pool toys away or whatever I need to do. I let Tazeo play outside and I'm out there present with him while we just kind of hang out and enjoy the sunshine before we move on to the rest of the day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just what I do pretty much from like 8 to 12 every single day. It's a lot. Every day it's different, but you guys can get a general idea. Let me know if you have any questions or any suggestions of a video you'd like to see next. I appreciate you all so much. I will see you soon.